Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adekombi and I'm back again with another video. So basically, if it's your first time stopping by my channel, don't forget to like the video, comment down below what you think about the video, just subscribe, share it with your friends and family. What are you waiting for? So anyways guys, on this video I'm actually gonna be showing you guys what actually went through in looking for houses in this Vancouver or Surrey or everywhere I've actually been looking for houses. I'm actually gonna be showing you guys different houses I've actually went for and how it looks. The video may actually be a little bit clumsy because I just didn't want the maybe the landlord or who was there to know I was actually recording. But basically I feel like it's actually okay for you to record in case you want to show someone and all, but I didn't know that until after. Do you understand? So I'm actually gonna be showing you guys clips of houses I've actually went to, apartment I actually went to, and the rest sometimes some of them were nice, while some of them were just were just there. Guys, so struggle to look for house, guys. I don't know what they've told you about looking for house. It was actually easy for me to find house on the island, but it's actually so hard to find houses because it's actually very competitive here. On the island, it's not as competitive as this place. You would have found house since. Do you understand? Looking for houses for like over 2 months. It's not that deep, do you get? But I think like sometimes it's actually easier for you to find like a basement suite and all these suites instead of like an apartment, because that it's not only you that is actually interested in the apartment as well. There are actually other people interested in the apartment as well. So it's more like the competition thing. So there was actually one I should have gotten, but the agent I actually spoke to was like, oh, I should negotiate the price with the owner. Me too, I went to negotiate the price, guys, not knowing I shouldn't have, because I like the place. The place was actually going for 1,480, though it's actually pretty expensive, yeah, but we cannot survive, we don't have a choice. Not be me one living now, I have to pay for the consequences. But anyways guys, I just negotiated with the guy and all like that, and 2 days later I realized they gave the thing to someone else because maybe the person wanted to pay without negotiating. I was like, why did I even negotiate in the first place? Why did I negotiate? So me negotiating actually puts me in trouble, because that's what me negotiating actually did to me, because if I didn't negotiate I won't be in trouble. Do you understand? I won't be in trouble. Like, I would have just, why am I even saying trouble? If I didn't negotiate with the guy, I would have just got to the place. He would have just given me the place, because I already sent him my details and everything in there to like, Now I lost the house because this agent told me to negotiate. I didn't want to negotiate in the first place. I feel like the price was actually fair, but because it's actually an old apartment, maybe that's why the guy asked me to negotiate. But the newer apartments are actually cute, but they're just too small. I'm gonna be putting clips and videos here, because at the end of this, I'm just gonna put videos for you guys, because at the end of the day, it doesn't even make any sense for that price. But the view is nice, the view is something, but just know that you're paying for the view, not for the space in the room. But the things, I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff. So the idea I'm looking for is I actually want a space for my business in my own apartment, like my black soap and my shea butter that I'm selling in my apartment. But
this honor very particular. Sorry about that.
no problem.
Take your time. Thank you.
That's fine. Okay. So as you can see, this one has a nice bathroom. I love this bathroom. The mirror was giving everything. It's white, it's pretty. I wanted a white space anyways, and it's a new building. One of the new building they built in the latest building they built in King George, in Surrey Central. So but there was not enough space for my stuff. Like, the closet is small. The price goes for 1,500. It doesn't have storage. I have to pay for parking. It's just like you pay an extra $, like an extra $80 for parking, and I'm like, nah, this is not it. The view is perfect, it's nice. My room is small, but I just don't want that. I want a big room, I want a big space. But these people, why can't everything just be perfect, man? Like, the view is nice, yeah, but nah, I won't be taking this place. The guy asked me to negotiate the price with the owner. Like, instead of paying 1,500, I should go for maybe 1,450. I think that's where I made a mistake. I'm looking for the washroom at this point. So this is an extra closet for hanging your clothes and all. So the guy was just trying to tell me like, oh, the washroom is at the back of the door in the bathroom. So I went back to check for it. Then boom, I saw the washroom. Did I just say washroom? Sorry, I was looking for washing machine. So it was a washing machine I was looking for. Then I found the washing machine. I know. I feel like it's a nice building. It's a small space, but nah, this is not for La. This is not for me. On to the next. But back on the island, looking for us is actually very chill than this place. This place, you have to be going from one location to the other. Imagine you driving like about 30 minutes to go to one location to go and look for a house, and you go to another 30 minutes drive to another location. In the same environment, in the same city. Like, it's so stressful. Do you understand? So I was just thinking, like, imagine I don't have a car. I was just thinking about people that don't have a car and they have to like find a place to live. That's so stressful. I think like that's why they use an agent though, because that's the only way it could actually work though. It's actually hard for you to find a place here. Most times it's always like it's actually too expensive or too far away from the world, or it's actually isolated. And I feel like one of the main reasons why I actually moved there was because I just wanted a very better environment. I just don't want to be in that cubicle again. I don't want to be in the box anymore. I want to just be outside. But you know, me finding that kind of far distance thing is not gonna work for me. So if you're moving closer to the where everybody is, it's gonna be more expensive. That's actually another challenge I was actually having. It was actually hard, guys. I came here in June, and guess what, when I moved there in June, I did not really like realize like I wanted to be looking for houses here, because I was like, you know, I'm just gonna stay with my brother for a bit and not like that. But at the same time, I realized that I actually want to like settle down and, you know, focus on my own apartment, you know, do my own thing, decorate my own apartment the way I would love to decorate it. You guys feel me? Yeah. But in the process of me doing that, okay, so I was like, okay, later on in September, I started looking for houses in September. For October, I didn't find. From beginning of September, I didn't find. Not like I didn't find, not like I was just chilling. Now I was viewing every time. Before I could say, oh, I want this house, they're giving it to someone else, because it's so competitive. So it's more of like, if you don't want it, someone else is gonna want it. There's actually a particular one I actually wanted again. I had the problem again because I really wanted high-rise so bad, guys. I wanted high-rise so bad. I feel like that was actually one of the problems I was having as well. Anytime I go to an high-rise, they'll be like, oh, it's 1,500 or 1,550, but the place is just so small compared to what I'm used to on the island. We can have a place for 1,500, but it's gonna be a bigger space.
Pay parking?
No, I didn't pay parking. I parked on the other road.
Okay. There are no sign like a pay parking, right?
Ah.
Oh, here are lots of signs here. How to say pay parking.
Ah. Do you live here?
I don't live here. No, I don't live here.
Oh. Oh, it's a new building?
5 years.
Ah.
It's 13 level. So where you move? Here you find a new job?
Yeah, I found a new job. That's why I moved here.
What kind of job?
So basically, they transferred me from the Highland to this place, the same company.
Same company.
Yeah, so they transferred me to come and work here because they need more people, basically. Yeah.
Where do you live now?
I live with my brother.
Okay.
My elder brother.
Okay.
So he's married with kids, so just like so like, you know, I need to find my own place.
Floor going up.
Okay. Okay, this is laundry.
Yeah.
Okay. More space. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And this is the room?
Yeah, sliding door, like you can separate.
Oh, okay.
Separate for study, put a desk, here's a sleep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah, when we bought it, I like this also. Like a Japanese sliding.
Sliding?
Yeah. Yeah, you can
Okay.
close, so you can open. Here's anyway. Like somebody watch TV, like this, right? You can close, open, close. Yeah. Yeah. You can leave it like that if you want.
Okay. Then there's a balcony here. This is for the kitchen.
Kitchen.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Wow. So nice. And people on the other side will not be disturbing with noise? No?
No.
It's soundproof?
It's very quiet.
Oh, it's very quiet.
But the construction, right? But
Oh,
even
yeah.
if it is not,
Yes,
that's
yes.
construction.
That one is normal.
Here's more and more towers.
Yeah.
Before it's not so many high-rise.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more and more.
Okay, so 5 years ago there was nothing here.
What?
Like 5 years ago there was nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing was. Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. I like this space.
Yeah. It's very clean. It's just that I mean, and the tenant was clean too. All the drawers.
Well, the person just moved out.
Yeah, no, the girl, she lived here 5 years. She moved to a boyfriend.
Oh.
Yeah, a boyfriend that she moved.
Oh.
Yeah. She's very clean. So everything
Yeah.
is like new.
Everything is clean. Everything is
Yeah.
clean. I like it. Is
Yeah.
there an application I have to fill or?
Do you mind? My husband said, yeah, we do credit check.
Yeah, he said something about credit.
Yeah, it's very clean.
Yeah, they really took care of the building and all.
Yeah.
They're very nice. So this is the den for office. So what about this? Is this?
That's my husband is going to call it's still under warranty.
Oh, okay.
He said look like the drywall not very good, so it's dry and cracked.
Oh.
But it's okay. It's just
Yeah.
like
So there's no, okay, there's lights here.
yeah.
Is there lights? There's
Here's
no lights.
no lights.
No lights in the room.
Okay.
So guys, for this apartment, I won't be taking it because first of all, it's above my budget. It's $1,550, and that's above my budget. I didn't like the whole idea that there's the demarcation between the rooms or something. I would have preferred it then the small space was before the big space, so I feel like it's not realistic for me. There's no light in the rooms, and that's how most of these high-rise buildings are. They don't put light in the rooms anymore. The space is actually big though, but I'm not gonna be getting it. The bathroom is nice as well. It has a lot of space to keep things, but the way the apartment was arranged, I don't think I'm a fan, so I'm not getting it. That's what I was saying. So I was saying like another reason why I wanted an high-rise was just because I feel like network is actually very important, and I feel like you can actually meet people anywhere. You can meet people in the elevator while going. Like the one I said I met in the elevator the other day when I was going to view, I was like, conversation actually goes how like, oh, you know people that are actually into what you're doing. You see people around that are doing the same thing you're doing. And you're like, okay, yeah, that's right. Like, oh, nothing wrong with you. But I just feel like basement just have this way of just caging you in. But you live in an high-rise, live in an open environment, just makes you meeting more people, engaging yourself with more people, and more like networking basically. That's what I want to. But now they don't want to give me high-rise, so but I'm not giving up on my high-rise dream because I feel like I just want the idea of like instead of you renting, instead of you like booking an hotel, you living in an high-rise, like you already have that, creating your room in a kind of beautiful way, making your room beautiful, waking up to that view. It's so amazing. And people like you going out and you get to have conversation with people. What are you gonna be talking to in the basement? Who? I just realized like finding houses is actually very, very hard on this side, because I feel like I've actually done a video about finding house. You just check on Gigi, you find out like it's not that easy, honey. In this part of the world, you cannot compete for things because it's more of like you'll be seeing people like maybe like 4 people viewing their apartments at the same time you are viewing your apartment, and it's actually people that are actually gonna talk first that they said they want the apartment they will give the apartment to. Do you understand? And after you even say you want the apartment, they will ask you for your for your pay stub. They just want to make sure like you're financially stable for you to be paying for rent every month basically. Do you understand? So all information gathers up, and they'll just give the best person they could think they could give. I'm actually a very good person as well. I'm a very cool person to live with. Like I don't understand why they don't want to give me the apartment. Like I really want an high-rise. I'm still gonna struggle for my high-rise, guys, maybe later on, but now I'm just gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a break. This is okay. Okay, this is the bedroom. Okay. The bedroom is pretty small.
It is small, yeah. But everything, yeah.
And how much is it again?
1550.
This is 1550?
1550. So I said the price, the monthly rent.
The condo, the one I saw was 14350. 1435.
I don't know. 1550. 1550.
1550.
So you must open electric.
Or maybe it's a different one. So this, like, is a 7. Okay.
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 Yeah, that's all.
Yep. Okay. This is to keep this. Okay, this is not. Okay. Is this a storage?
Yeah. It is a storage.
Oh, okay. Where's
It
the
is,
stuff?
yeah, I think half for cold, half you can do no
Oh.
storage, yeah? Yeah.
Yeah.
Then,
Huh. Yeah, I like it. I like the place. Because the one I texted, was it Eddie? I texted someone. So it has been hell, guys. So basically, I really wanted an HighRise, and when people are gonna ask me, they'll be like, "Why do you want HighRise so bad? Just find the basement and all." So basically, I've lived in basement for so long. When I was on the island, I've lived in Canada for like over 6 years now, and I felt like I've lived in basement. And basement has this way of just just putting you in that cage, just putting you in that cage. And I'm actually that kind of person. Like I just don't like being in that box. I want to see what's going on outside. And again, for me, when I go to HighRises and when I go to hotels, I always like the view. I like to see things going on the road, and it's so beautiful to actually watch. I want that up and going kind of view. The view is always amazing. Anytime I go to areas, I'm always like obsessed, like watching the view every single time. And like instead of me obsessing over someone else's house or their own view, I can actually just have my own and just do my own thing. So that was why I was looking for HighRise so bad, and I didn't find until right now. I think I'm actually gonna settle for a basement suit. It's actually bright as well, but I'm still gonna be searching for my HighRise. So guys, I don't even have any choice again than to be giving you guys content, because what's the name, my sister actually got me a camera, and now the only reason why they'll be getting me a camera, like, you better get your shit together, girl, get your shit together. Like that was what they are trying to say, like indirectly, like, we've got to your camera, we don't have any excuse again for vlogging and all. But guys, don't worry, I got you guys. I'm not promising anything, but I got you guys. But let me just take my time to be giving you guys this. But I just started you guys to tell you guys, I just said I should come here and tell you guys what I've been passing through. It's so hard to find a place. It's so hard. Let me just put it out there. It's so hard to find a place. It's so hard. Okay, so if this is your first time stopping by on my channel, don't forget to like the video, comment down below your favorite part of this video, and subscribe, share with your friends. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys are in Vancouver, if you're in Canada, if you are anywhere, let's just connect. Let me know what you guys are up to. Let me I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. I don't know what video is gonna be coming up next, but I really want to show you guys the apartments I've been viewing, and they're actually very nice apartments, just that they've not been the best so far. It can be too big, it can be too small, expensive, far away, cheap. It's just, everything is just different. But I think the reason why I've not found houses for that long again is because I wanted a particular one, and because it's so competitive, I'm not really getting. I feel like that's actually another problem, and it's more of like, they will not want to give the house to someone that is actually thinking about it. So it's actually, when I first came, I think it was still like a shocker for me, because I was not expecting the price of houses to be that expensive. So I feel like I've actually lost a lot of chances in the process of, oh wow, this is so expensive. By the time I called them, like, okay, I want the place, they've given to someone else. Do you get? I actually saw a house for like an apartment for like 1,350, and by the time I called the person to get it back, they already gave it to someone else.